Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to close your Microsoft account. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we want to close our Microsoft account. What we need to do over here is go ahead and dial in aka.ms/close account and hit enter. Now what will happen is you will be prompted to sign into the account that you would like to close. My advice is to, when you're opening your browser, make sure that you're using the account that you would like to close. All right, so here you can use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security code, or your password to sign in. So go ahead and sign in. Over here, you'll see that your page will be prompted and prompting you to be ready to close. So make sure that there is a bit of time that you have to read through all of this. You can see that you need to cancel any current subscriptions, any business or organizational services, and then records, remaining account balances, Skype credit, email replies. Make sure that everything has been finalized. Go ahead and click on next. Over here, you will see now you will just be prompted that your account is unrecoverable 60 days after your account closure. Make sure that you're marking all of these boxes. Make sure that you're reading through them too. And then you are going to tap on the mark account for closure after selecting a reason, and within 60 days the account will be inaccessible.